Ooh-wee, we're done painting, and even though I've used a little, Terry used a sponge roller, it's good to get some of that paint out because you might need it on your next project. So I'm just gonna kind of take my paint stick and roll it on here a little bit and get some of that off. It's a little messy, but that might be just the last little bit of paint you'll need for something else. You know. And if you don't want to wash this off right away, what you can do is you can wrap that in plastic. Wrap this in plastic and then you can leave it all day long, and then when you get to an approved place to wash it out, you can wash it out then. There's a tip for you. I just use these little throwaway paint trays, but they're called throwaway paint trays because when you use them, you get done and you just kind of throw them away. But what I do is I got 5 or 6 of these, and I just clean them up a little bit. I leave a little bit of paint in them, and when it dries, I can put my next paint in there. And I do that 2 or 3 different times, and then after that, when this gets a little bit thicker, I can just peel it all out, and it comes all out in one big go. You have to clean it a little bit, and then you can use your paint trays again. So I got 5 or 6 of them here, and I've been sealing some floors, and so I've got one in here where I sealed the floors with, and then we use this one for the pink paint the other night, and that's almost dry. I'll pull that off now and let that set some more. And now I got this one too. Now, you know, I do that for another reason too, so you don't have to rinse those out and have the paint go down your sink drain or out in a hose outside or anything like that. Be kind to the environment. That's what it's all about. It's easy. Now let's see if my trick works. I've got the pink paint in there, and that's pretty dry, and I had some other paint in there before that. And I'm gonna just see if I can't get most of this out of the tray. See there? Pretty much like that. I can pull that last little bit out, just a little bit at a time. There. Look at that. That's because I had about 3 coats of paint in there or so, and I can just peel it out. Good as new. Here's your next disposable paint tray, and it's almost brand new. I don't have to go buy another one of these. I just let the paint set in there until it was dry. See, that's what I'm going to do with this one. But until that's dry, I can put a rag in there or a piece of plastic. If I had a piece of plastic, I could put that in there and then put my other stuff in there so I could get ready to go. Okay, there's another tip for you.